Hello student, standard 9 English medium, subject maths. It's before we have completed exercise 1.2. Now example number 6. Show that 3.142678 is a rational number. In other words, express 3.142678 in the form of P upon Q, where P and Q are integers and Q not equals to 0. Now here students, given that the number is in decimal form, now we have to convert into P upon Q form, that means rational number. So in rational number, here given that the number after a decimal point, there are given that how many digits. See 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So here we have remove decimal point and afterward write in division 1, 0, 0, 0, 0 and 0, 0. So after decimal point here 6 digit. So here we write 6 zeros. Now it's a P upon Q form. In example number 7, here given that 0.333, that means 3 is a repeated number. So here written that 0.3 bar, only one digit is repeated. So can be expressed in the form of P upon Q, and here also P and Q are integers and Q not equals to 0. P अपन Q फॉर्म, जिसमें P अपन Q जो है वो रेशनल नंबर है और उसमें Q जो है Q नॉट इक्वल्स टू 0, उसकी वैल्यू 0 नहीं है. नाउ स्टूडेंट्स, हाउ टू कन्वर्ट इनटू P अपन Q फॉर्म. सो फर्स्ट वी राइट लेट x इक्वल्स टू, जो भी क्वेश्चन हमें दिया है उसे हमें x इक्वल्स टू लिखना है. लेट x इक्वल्स टू 0.3 बार एंड आफ्टरवर्ड जो भी डिजिट रिपीट है उसे हमें लिखना है. सो आफ्टरवर्ड ही राइट x इक्वल्स टू 0.333 एंड नाउ इट्स इक्वेशन नंबर 1. आफ्टरवर्ड हाउ मेनी डिजिट्स आर रिपीटेड? हियर ओनली वन डिजिट, सो हियर वी मल्टीप्लाई बोथ द साइड बाय 10. इफ हियर two digits are repeated, so we write 100, but here only one digit 3 is repeated, so here we write multiply by 10 both the sides. Here also we written that multiply by 10 both the sides. So after becomes on left side, here we write 10x, and in right side if we multiply by 10 then it's become 3.33. So first equation here becomes x equals to 0.333 and afterward second equation is 10x equals to 3.333. So both are infinitely afterward. So in both equation we have to subtract. So subtract equation 1 from the equation number 2. So 10x minus x, हमें सेकंड इक्वेशन में से फर्स्ट इक्वेशन जो है उसे माइनस करना है, मीन्स 10x माइनस एक्स दैट मीन्स 9x. एंड हियर ऑल्सो 3.33, उसमें से हमें 0.33 माइनस करना है, मीन्स 3 में से 0 माइनस करेंगे तो यहाँ पर 3 और पीछे जो है 0.333 वो कट हो जाएंगे. सो हियर वी राइट 9x इक्वल्स टू 3. नाउ वैल्यू ऑफ x इक्वल्स टू 3/9, सो 3 3s are 9, so here we write 1/3. So value of x equals to 1/3 and it's a P upon Q form. Now next example number 8, show that 1.272727, so 27 is the repeated number, so here written afterward 1.27 bar. Students, here two digits are repeated, so that's why here written 1.27 bar. Now can be expressed in the form of P upon Q, and here also P and Q are integers and Q not equals to 0. So that solution is, again here we write let x equals to 1.27 bar. तो मीन्स जो भी रिपीटेड नंबर है उसके ऊपर बार लगा हुआ है. आफ्टरवर्ड जितने डिजिट्स रिपीट हो रहे हैं, स्टूडेंट्स हियर टू डिजिट्स आर रिपीटेड. सो फर्स्ट इक्वेशन इज x equals to 1.2727, it's the first equation, and afterward two digits are repeated. So since two digits are repeating, so we multiply 100 both the sides. So if we multiply here 100, then it's become 100x. Here only x, but we multiply 100, so here becomes 100x, and here multiply by 100, then the decimal point move left to right two digit. So here we write 127.2727, and now it's a second equation. Now here both the equations we have make and subtract equation number 1 from the equation number 2. So if we subtract 100x minus x, then it's become 99x, and in other side, right side, 127.2727 and subtract from 1.2727. So 127 minus 1, that means 126. So here we write 99x equals to 126, and value of x equals to 126 upon 99. Afterward, here we also it's make a simplest form, so it's become 14 upon 11, and it's a what type of fraction number? So rational number we have become. Now example number 9. In example number 9, show that 0.2353535 equals to 0.235 bar. Here bar is given only 35 means 35 2 digits are repeated. So here again we have to convert into P upon Q form. So the solution is, let the x equals to 0.235 bar. First we have to write let x equals to 0.235 means 35, उसके ऊपर हमें क्या लगाना है, बार लगाना है. Over here, not that 2 does not repeat, but the block 35 repeats. यहाँ पर 2 जो है उसके ऊपर बार नहीं है, मीन्स 2 रिपीट नहीं हो रहा है, बट 35 इज अ रिपीटेड नंबर. जो 35 जो है वो जो ब्लॉक है वो पूरा बार बार रिपीट हो रहा है. सो फर्स्ट वी हैव टू मल्टीप्लाई बाय 10. So 10x equals to, if you multiply by 10, then it's become 10x equals to 2.3535, and it's a first equation. Afterward, here 35 means 2 digits are repeated. So first we have to multiply by 10, and afterward again multiply by 100. So 10 multi 100, so it's become 1000x. Then equals to, here point, decimal point is between 2 and 3. Now it's move after 35. So here we write 235.3535. Now it's equation number 2. Now here students, subtract equation number first from the equation number 2. So 1000x minus 10x equals to 990x, and other side on right 235 minus 2, that means 233. So here we have to find out the value of x. So we write x equals to 233 upon 990. Then it's a P upon Q form. Now students, afterward example number 10. In example number 10, find the irrational number between 1 upon 7 and 2 upon 7. It's before, in example number we have seen that what is the value of 1 by 7. So here 1 by 7, it's before we have, with using long division, we have find out the value of 1 by 7, 0.142857. So here block, hold the block 142857 is the repeated number again and again. So now we can easily calculate the value of 2 upon 7. 2 upon 7, that means 2 multi 1 by 7. Now here we know that the value of 1 by 7. So 2 multi value of 1 by 7 is 0.142857. So it's multiplied by 2, then we get the value of it's a 0.285714. Now afterward, find the irrational number between 1 upon 7 and 2 upon 7. So how can we find irrational number? Irrational number, that means we can't convert into P upon Q form. That type of number is a irrational number. Now students, here non-terminating, non-recurring lying between them. So there are infinitely many such numbers we can find. So first, between 0.142857 and between 0.285714. So for example, like that 0.15001500 and we can also find that there are lots of numbers same like that 0.210, 2100, 000. So that type of numbers are irrational number.